This video is to show you the water methanol injection system on the Pontiac Aztek. It's an 03 Rally. We've got red MagnaCore spark plug wires there, but you see the fourth red is actually a hose coming from the intake manifold, and it comes over to the high pressure pump, which is located on the passenger side of the cowling there of the radiator. And the control module for the water meth is there on this side of the core support. It has potentiometers on it where you can set the water meth where you want it to come in, load wise and duration wise. And I've got all that done for you. We also have a shut-off solenoid. It's passenger's fender there above the battery. What that does is put a solid lock on the system. There's no way engine vacuum can pull the water meth in while you're just cruising, let's say. As the system doesn't run at idle, doesn't run when you're cruising. It's there for when you get into the throttle. And at that point, it does multiple things. It kind of steam cleans the combustion chamber, so you have very little carbon buildup, and it gives you a much lower intake air temperature. And if you've driven a car on a cool summer evening and it just feels lighter weight, more responsive than during the daytime when it's hotter, that's what the water meth kind of gives you all the time. And it's very even some of my turbo cars in the track, they don't go off of power as they get hot and heat saturated with the water meth system on there. It's pretty cool. The Aztek has a large window washer reservoir. You can see the blue fluid in it there. It's a full gallon. And that red supply hose we've got going right into that washer bottle. So what we use for the water meth is -20, the cheap stuff, windshield washer fluid, and it's a mix of methanol and water. And you can still, even we're in Kansas, and even freezing temperatures, it's just like your normal system. Your wipers work summer or winter. The Aztek has a low level sensor for that bottle, so it tells you when you need to add fluid, and you really don't need to add it very frequently on this car. So that is the system up here. The engine's been freshened up on this little guy. Did head gaskets and timing chain. When it developed the intake manifold gasket leak, we just went ahead and it had about 92,000 miles on it at that point. I just figured it was time. That was probably 3 years ago or so. We've had this guy for 20 years. It's been a really good vehicle. Thanks for watching.